Stop dreaming about a smart home and start building one. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the 5 essential, budget-friendly gadgets that will form the powerful core of your own Logic Lair. First up, the brain of your operation, a smart speaker. Whether it's an Amazon Echo or a Google Nest, this is your command center. It plays music, answers questions, and most importantly, lets you control every other device with just your voice. Second, smart plugs. These are the unsung heroes of home automation. Take any dumb device, a lamp, a fan, a coffee maker, plug it into one of these, and instantly, it's a smart device you can control from your phone or by voice. Imagine telling your house to start the coffee while you're still in bed. That's the power of a simple smart plug. Third on our list is smart lighting. Replace your existing bulbs with smart bulbs like Philips Hue or Wise. You can dim them, change their color, and set schedules, completely transforming the atmosphere of a room for movie nights or for waking up gently in the morning. Number 4 is a smart thermostat, like the Google Nest thermostat. This device learns your schedule and automatically adjusts the temperature, saving you serious money on your heating and cooling bills, while keeping you comfortable without a second thought. Finally, a smart security camera. A simple indoor or outdoor camera from a brand, like Ring or Wise, gives you peace of mind, letting you check on your home from anywhere in the world, right on your phone. And that's it. A speaker, plugs, lights, a thermostat, and a camera. These 5 devices are your foundation. They create a powerful network that saves you money, time, and gives you peace of mind. To make it easy, I've put links to my top recommendations in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your home, make sure you subscribe to Logic Lair for our next project.